This is Mike.
This is Nick, as you all know.
They don't know you yet.
You will know me. I'm a real funny guy. All you ladies out there.
Shut up!
I'm really lazy.
That's me. I'm really lazy. He's the active one.
I am hot. You girl, all you hot ones, ugly ones. As long as you have a good personality, come kiss me, please, please, yes.
Okay, no.
Hey guys, I'm back.
You.
He died.
No, I didn't.
He's coming back for revenge. Run!
Is anybody after 13? Oh.
No, I'm joking. I'm not killing him. Come on. Yeah, see, you're here.
Hi.
Come on. Why?
Sorry. We're not even recording. Oh, wait, yeah, they are. Okay, so.
That was just a
Friend.
right. Alright, so guys.
I hate you. Get out of the way.
Wait! I'm adjusting. Alright. Oh, crap. I got blind.
Oh, oh. Okay, I cleaned the glass. Get your big butt.
I play dark now.
Okay, so.